All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. So discover. 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 To find something. Find something. Often new as well. New. Yeah. I discovered a new route. Yeah. We will discover a small island. He thinks he discovered a new cave. She discovered a new chemical. I want to discover a new continent. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. I want to discover a new continent. Yeah. We, he, she, it, they. So they discovered the chest in the middle of the forest. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. They are discovering something new. They are working on a new discovery. They don't know what it is. This new discovery of theirs. That way was discovered a long time ago. Yeah. That technology a long time ago. Yeah, it is old now. Old technology now, yeah. They are working on discovering new tools. They have plans to discover new things. So we think we might have discovered a new kind of material. Yeah, found something new. Wow, something new. Discovered something. Do you know how they will discover the other choice? How are they going to discover the treasure? How did you discover this again? How did you discover it? How did you find it? How did you find it? Yeah. We discovered it last night. We discovered the door, the new house last night. Yeah. We discovered a problem. We discovered a problem. Yeah, not good. Not good, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, discover. Now, can you use discover in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? Yeah. And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. You can also find me on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.